Hello, so the three main priority areas of GCED in my community are, first of all, quality of education, which really needs to be more developed and making it more creative and effective from kindergarten to university. Second of all, shifting to renewable energy because in my country, Algeria, we depend a lot on petrol and gas, and this is not at all a sustainable solution. Third, we have nature. For the environment, a lot of people are not conscious about it and they are throwing trash everywhere and even in nature, and in consequence we see monkeys and other animals suffering from this garbage. I think and I am sure that GCED is the best way to teach us and making us active global citizens. Thank you.